So we got this situation where we have to do integration from 0 to pi by 6 sine square 6x cos to the power 4 3x. Okay, so just observe this question how I will connect the dots. So my point is, like, for the first time, suppose I am not getting any idea, what I will feel that, sir, here you are handling trigonometric thing. So in trigonometric chapter we have studied that we should convert our question into same trigonometric ratio and same angle. So first I know that I am having problem with trigonometric ratio as well as angle. One of the angle is 3x, other angle is 6x. So first we will try to create angle to be same. So look at this how I will respond. So can I write it as sine 6x cos square and then cos power 4 3x dx. Now can I write sine square sine 6x as 2 sine 3x into cos 3x cos square and then cos power 4 3x. Now this 2 will become 4. 4 will be taken outside as it is a constant number. Sine square 3x and then cos to the power 6 and then 3x dx. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. 0 to pi by 6. Now what I want to do is, I have seen this kind of situation where we are handling sine and cos together, that too in definite integration, but the limit was 0 to pi by 2. Here it is different, so I don't know how we should respond. So what I will do, for time being, to convert question into sin x and cos x, I will take 3x as z. So dz by dx will become 3. So can I write, in place of dx, can I write dz by 3? So it will become 4 by 3 integration of sine square z cos power 6 and then z, and in place of dx write dz by 3 I already substituted. Now you know that if you will take anything as z, the limit will change. So if lower limit is 0, so if you'll replace x with 0, z will become 0, so it is 0 again. Now upper limit is pi by 6, so if you'll replace x with pi by 6, so 3 times pi by 6 will become pi by 2. Now upper limit becomes pi by 2. So now if you'll observe, your question is converted into limit from 0 to pi by 2, and then we have sine function and then we have cos function. Okay, so here we can apply that Willy theorem, where they are suggesting us that on numerator you have to subtract odds. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So you have to stop here only, because you have to stop at 1 or 2. Now 6 minus first odd number is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So you have to stop at 1. Done with the numerator. Now go to denominator. In denominator you have to add the power. So it is 8. Now from 8 you have to subtract evens. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. Now you have to introduce k. So who is k? K is, if both are even, k is pi by 2. If any other case is involved, then it is 1. But if you'll observe here, it is both are even, so you have to introduce pi by 2. Now play fruit ninja. This thing gone. this 4 and this 4 will vanish. Okay, so if you will simplify things, you will be having 5 pi upon 48 into 4. 48 into 4. Okay, so it is 192. So you got your result as 5 pi by 192. I hope you guys can connect the dots and you guys can solve these multi concept questions as well. Okay.